Hi everyone, today I will be showing you how to use user assignments in SafetyLoop for user management. So first, you're going to want to come to the sidebar, click the users and groups option, then user list. Once this page is open, you'll want to find the user that you want to add groups to, etc. And you can do this either by scrolling through the list, which is easy because I only have 2 users here, or you can use one of the many filters we have along the top here to search first name, last name, username, etc. to find them. But we're going to want to click on John Smith today, so I'm just going to come over to the right side, click on these 3 dots, and then click Edit. And so now this edit window shows up with all of the information on this user. For this, we're going to ignore this first page. It's the same info you would see when you create a user, so it is already all here, but we're going to click User Assignments. So once I click this, it should open up here. And now I'm going to have a couple different options on this page. So I have groups, job profile, and forms. So groups dictate the groups or projects that the user is on. So right here I have 3 groups on the selected side already, and I have 1 group on the unselected side. So to remove a group, you can click on the dot beside, or pardon me, the checkbox beside the group, and then click the arrow pushing it over to the left. And that removes it to the assigned group side, or pardon me, the unselected side. To add a group, you do the same thing in reverse. So all you do is you click on this checkbox here, and then you click the arrow to the right, and it adds it to the selected side. Now, all of these boxes work the same. So job profiles does the same thing. So if you click on the checkbox, you can send it backwards or into the selected side. And job profiles are something that you can set up if you follow our job profile creation video. And job profiles basically can dictate what forms different groups of workers or job profiles that workers have. And then these forms inside the job profile will be able to be started to any of the groups that they're shared to. So the same thing works down here, but this is just more of a simple share. So it's individual forms. So right here you can select any of your forms from your forms list, you click the button, you send it over, and once it's on this side and you submit, the worker will be able to do any of those forms to any of the groups they're assigned to. So hopefully this video helps. Once you click submit, it's saved and those changes are saved with it, and your worker will now be able to do those forms to whatever groups you have selected.